What do to the crew? How are you today? I just realised I fucked up. Sunday fun day on a rooftop, but I'm on the wrong rooftop. I'm meant to be on that one. Just climbed up, like, just got in the fire exit, or under the gate, and got straight to the fire exit. I'm like, oh, this is fucking easy, way easier than the last few times, because I've been up there before. And climbed up like not 5, maybe 10 levels. Quite a few. Come in here, I'll show you. Climbed up all these stairs. And came out here, I'm like, this is fucking different as well. And then realised it's not even the right building, I need to be on that one. But it's connected to this one, so just got to go down the stairs again and hopefully find the exit for that building. But just up here enjoying a cigarette, sussing the views from here. Haven't been up here before, so why not? Yeah, beauty. Looking very nice, Melbourne. Beautiful fucking Sunday fun day. Sun is out on a Sunday. You've got to be out and about in Melbourne then. But we'll see what today brings. Hopefully we can get up there and enjoy the sunset. BOOMTING. I've been walking around this area for like half an hour and I am bamboozled. I cannot see a fire exit or one that's open. There's a few that have got padlocks on them. Open anywhere. But I just seen this little ledge that goes across to the roof, so I might try this. But look at this thing, fucking little glass elevator installed in the middle of the building. I don't know what this place is going to be, but if only this fucking worked. Be like, oi, take me to the rooftop. Oi, not open. Why not? It definitely does not. But yeah, imagine going to the rooftop in a fucking glass elevator. That would be sick. But we'll go try other places. Go see what this rooftop says. Because there's a little ledge that I can see that goes across the building to this one. Because it turns out there's like 3 different fucking buildings in this whole construction site. But I'll try and get up there somewhere and then cross through there into there and then go up there. See what happens, fingers crossed. BOOMTING, you beauty. Fuck, them stairs were sketchy. Holy dooly, but we made it to this second bit. Let's see if this hopefully takes us into that building. Where are we? There's this little ledge here. Oh yeah, not bad. We can get through that. Little blue fence here, but nothing to say the concrete is broken, so let's cross the bridge and hope it doesn't collapse on me. Oh shit, oh shit. Alright, and then onto that. Why is that all fucking, I don't know. Onto this and hope this doesn't collapse on me. Oh shit, fucking feels like it's gonna. Got a splinter in my hand. Alright, hopefully we can find a fire exit that is open in this area. See what happens. I've got to get off this sketchy rebar first. Holy dolly. What? Alright, we're in about the 7th building that I've been in today. See what this has. BOOMTING. Persistence is key, people. That's where I came off over there, over the sketchy rebar. And go in here, look to the left, and that's what I've been looking for the whole time. Just a staircase. How hard is it to find a staircase? And even better, it goes all the way up. Up, up and away we go. Let's go. BOOMTING. Just reached the top of the stairs. There's more stairs here though. Goes even further up. So even more further up. We're at level 31 at the moment. I want to suss this slope on the roof because this definitely wasn't there last time I was up here. I've seen it from the bottom ground the other week. I'm like, oi, that's looking fucking nice for some bangers. I'm guessing this is the slope right here. Look at that. Hopefully get some photos on the rooftop from that. What is this fucking device? Holy shit. It's like a fucking race car up here. What do you mean? Forklift? What? It's a fucking forklift. That's hectic. Never seen that in my life. But this is a little thing I've seen from the floor. The slope thingy. Go further up the fire exit, see what's up there. Let's go. We've made it to the rooftop. Still a little tiny bit up there. That's alright. Look at this though. Holy shit, this has changed fucking heaps since last time. This is a roof I slept on twice, if you remember. Sleeping on my hammock, hiding from tradies, and sleeping on roof by myself. Look how dirty the Yarra River is down there. Holy dooly. But this has fucking changed heaps. Not even a place for me hammock underground. I put my hammock under there and was hiding from the workers and the crane. Now I'm almost as tall as the crane. What do you mean? This is like a brand new rooftop. I don't even feel like I've been on here fucking 3 times. But I have, but this is all new. Holy dooly, gonna suss up that little bit soon as well. Gonna suss up there. See what bangers we can get. Whoopsie, trip over the rebar. And yeah. See what the day brings. Yo, day. Besides them fucking beams and shit, but that don't count because fuck that shit. Highest accessible bit. I thought they might have been connected to that, but I don't know. But look at the view, holy dooly. I slept about here last time, underground in my hammock, about there. I don't know what the fuck they did to this place, but it looks heaps different. But look at that view. Ooh, dooly. Perfect little WWE rope up here for me. I don't fall out. Thank you guys. But I was down there earlier, about fucking 2 hours ago, walking along the Yarra River, thinking, fuck, there's fuck all construction sites around here. Which there actually is. Look at that, can't see fucking any. So, went to the building that I've already been on, and now it's fucking different as fuck. It's like a brand new building. Yo, BOOMTING, what have you? BOOMTING. I don't know how long I'm going to stay up here for. It's fucking bright. I can't find sunnies anywhere. Left mine at home, of course. And yeah, there's fucking pretty tiny rooftop actually now. Not many photo opportunities, but with all these fences in the way. See what photos we can get around. I want to get a photo on top of that thing for show, and a photo looking down this fucking ledge. See what else we can get. I don't know if we'll stay till sunset, as I said. So it's like 3:30 now. The sunset's at 7:30. 3:31 on the 8th of October 2023. This is where I am. But yeah, sunsets are like 7:30. The sunset will set over that way. I'm not sure how many good bangers we'll get, but we'll see what bangers we can get for now. See where the day takes us, and yeah, probably head back down after that. Oh, you beauty, what a few to enjoy on a Sunday afternoon. This shit will never get old. Bloody BOOMTING. I've got a few photos. Everywhere I seem to get a photo seems to be sketchy as fuck. Holy dooly. Fucking make some easy accesses to the fucking photo location construction people. But I had to climb up this thing before. Whoop. Sit up here. This has definitely changed since last time I've been here. It is 4:30 now. Southern Cross Station down there. You beauty. But yeah, probably just going to chill up here for a bit, get a few more photos, and then head back down, get a feed, and then head back home to edit these photos, edit the video, and put it on your screen. I love the view of Melbourne. Holy dooly. St Kilda out there, Melbourne City there, beautiful rooftops here. Yeah, fucking good. Your birthday. Got heaps of photos, about to boot from here. Just gotta pack everything up. Holy dooly, got the photos that I can get from here anyway, because fucking sketchy rooftops. And me fucking GoPro app on my phone wasn't really working, so I wasn't really connecting to the camera properly when I went too far away. And I couldn't take photos obviously, because you can use the phone as a remote on the app. Take photos, take videos and all that. And yeah, obviously up here by myself, so I don't got anyone to take a photo for me, so I need the timer. And yeah, that's all I can get with that. Sun's still up there, still got like 2-3 hours till it sets. It's like 4:30, so yeah, we've got like 3 hours on that. 5:15, so we've got 2.5. But about to move from here, What a mission it's been. Another mission, tick it off the list. Looks like a brand new rooftop that I've already been up here 3 times, so definitely got all the photos that I can. You beauty. Definitely looks heaps different now. Holy wow. Things that can change in a few months. But what a beautiful fucking world. Go stuff me Instagram, you want to see the photos, explore Yaden, put it right here. Whoa, tripping over shit. And you beauty. What a view, 35 levels above Melbourne. Definitely cannot complain for my Sunday afternoon. BOOMTING. Back on my back. Didn't forget anything up here. And you bloody beauty. Thank you for your views and your memories. And BOOMTING. Thank you very much. See you probably not next time because this is probably almost done as well. Third time lucky. Tick off the list. About to boot from here. Well, I'll go down these stairs. Down 35 levels. You can see here. BOOMTING. Down we go. All the way down there. And yeah, hopefully don't get lost on the way out of here, because coming up here was a mission, because this has all changed since last time I was here. I had to go up through fucking 10 different fucking buildings, through down fucking 5 corridors, but we'll get there. We'll find the way to the gate again, but never know till you try. Time to boot from up here. BOOMTING. It's like 5:30, I don't know, 2 hours to the sunset, so still a while. Whoa, getting clotheslined by fucking electricals. Fucking safety first, guys, what are you doing? But BOOMTING, what a view. Way down we go. Let's go. Made it to the bottom of the fire exit, or where I got in anyway. Out here, you can see that sketchy rebar. You remember at the start of the video. That should take me up there. And then I've got to go through there, cross over that bridge thing, and then down them other stairs, and then try to find the gate from there. Here's the sketchy rebar. Woo! Okay, it's not that sketchy, it's just looks sketchy. But gotta go over that bridge. That's this bridge here. Straight over this. Now we're going down there, guys. And then gotta go back in this building, I think, and try to find the gate, I'm not sure. But this is why I didn't want to leave at night time, because yeah, I'm a bit lost. But we will get there. Let's go. Back to the part under the bridge that I seen earlier. So far so good. Should go through here, and there should be glass elevators through that door up there. So far so good. We are in the right spot, kinda. We just got to get to the ground level from here. There's the glass elevator. You beauty. Don't really remember how I got down from here though. But walk around until we see ladders or a staircase that goes down, I guess. See what happens, see where we end up. We are getting there though. You beauty. Just thought I was lost. I was walking around there for like 20 minutes. Holy dolly. Didn't know where the fuck I went up there. But I found it. Emergency exit this way. That's where I went. And then I believe go down the ramp from here and we'll send you to the gate. Thank you very much, emergency exit. Let's go. And we've made it to the driveway that I got up from the gate. I went into there, went into the emergency exit, across the bridge. Oh, check for any security. Any security around the corner. I don't see any. All clear. BOOMTING. Let's go. But the gate should be right out here. Good beauty. Did get a bit lost. Would have been much worse if I went down here at night time. But we made it. Boom. That's the first. So that fire exit sign there. That's the first building I went in before. Earlier, and I ended up on that other rooftop. I'm like, what the fuck is this? And then went up this ramp and then got into the other building. But out this way should be a little gate for me to go under. Hopefully. Yes, there is. With lots of traffic. Thank you guys. I really appreciate the traffic waiting there for me. But I got to get under this gate with all these people passing. So let's go. Take that off the list, you beauty. Back down on the ground level. How good was that rooftop? Bloody beautiful views up there. There the boys. And another one, tick it off the list. To the next video, BOOMTING.